Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to share your hotspot with another phone. Sharing your hotspot on Android allows other devices to use your mobile data for internet access. This feature is useful when Wi Fi is unavailable and you need to connect laptops, tablets, or other phones. The steps may vary slightly depending on your Android version and device brand. To begin, unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app, then tap Network and Internet or Connections. Choose Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Wi-Fi Hotspot. Turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot switch, then tap Hotspot name to view or change the network name. Set or check the password for your hotspot. Choose a secure password if needed. Adjust hotspot settings like security type if available. Save changes by tapping Save or checkmark. Now turn on mobile data if it is not already active. On the other device, go to the control panel and open the Wi-Fi. Choose your phone's hotspot name from the list. Then enter the password and connect to start using the internet. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.